Bonjour à tous et bienvenue, je m'appelle Guri et aujourd'hui on commence le français ensemble. Do you want to learn French but you don't know where to start? Vous êtes au bon endroit, you are in the right place. On y va ensemble. I will simplify French for you step by step. Let's go. Number one, the most important word in French is bonjour. 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 Hello. You say it. Bonjour. It means hello. You can use it all day, morning, afternoon. One more thing about bonjour. In French, when you enter a shop, you must say bonjour. If you don't, it's rude. One word and people smile at you. Number two is bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Use it after 5 or 6 p.m. Number three, salut. 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 It means hi, casual, for friends, for families, not for your boss, not in an interview. And a secret, salut also means bye with friends. So friends say salut when they come and salut when they go. Quick review of one segment. Bonjour, bonsoir and salut. Bonjour, hello. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, hi for friends. Très bien. Very good. C'est facile, no? Easy, right? After hello, you ask how are you in French. Ça va. Ça va. Ça va. Two small words, that's it. And the answer, ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci, I'm fine, thank you. Look at this. The question and the answer use the same words. Ça va and ça va, right? You learn it one time. French gives you a discount here. Now the most important part. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. My name is. Je m'appelle Guri. My name is Guri. Fun fact. Word by word. It means I call myself. Je m'appelle. I call myself. Myself. Appelle, to call. I. Je m'appelle. I call myself. Now you try it. Say, je m'appelle, your name. Je m'appelle so and so. Your turn. Say it aloud. Bravo. C'est parfait. Perfect. You just said your first full sentence in French. How do you ask someone their name? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Comment tu t'appelles? This is the friendly way. And one small useful phrase, et toi. If you say and you, it's et toi. Someone asks you a question, you answer, then say et toi. Et toi? That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. À bientôt.